Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board another one of our brand new arrivals. This is a 2027 Starcraft EXS-1 Q DH. Really exciting model for this year, so super stoked to walk you guys through it. Sitting back here on the transom of the boat, this boat is going to be powered with a Yamaha 150 horse engine. It's going to be plenty of power to tow skiers, tubers, whatever kind of water sports you're wanting to do on the water. This is more than capable to do it, and you actually have your built-in ski tow bar to your rear enclosure back here. Another really nice option on this boat is it does have the Lillipad ladder, so it just makes getting on and off the boat really easy, whether you have small kids with you or your furry friends out on the water with you. Really nice and versatile layout. So this is part of the QDH of the EXS-1. This is a like I said, very versatile sunbed back here. So there's a ton of different configurations. This backrest actually has 3 different configurations, so you can either sit forward, you can flip it back to sit aft, and then you can actually flip it all the way down to make an entire sunbed back here if you want to, catch some of them Georgia sun rays. Dual high back helm chairs on your port and starboard side. And then here at our helm station, you will have your Hummingbird multifunction display, so that's going to give you everything from your chart plotter to your depth finder, as well as your fish finder. And then the boat is also equipped with your upgraded wet sounds audio system. And as I'm sure you've noticed, this as we walk through this boat does have the absolutely gorgeous cognac interior, probably one of the nicest interiors with the gray accents that I've ever seen. So really nice feature for that on this model. And then up in the bow area, you will have really nice and spacious seating with your cockpit table. So guys, there is a ton more to check out on this boat. If you're interested, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.